Hi everybody, and welcome to this drawing of the moon tutorial. And the effect is stunningly realistic and very easy to do. What you do first is cut out a circle from a paper, and then you take a very black drawing paper, and you can use a little bit of a pencil eraser or a blender stick. For this tutorial I'm using a white pastel pencil, but a white color pencil will do the trick. But the white pastel pencil is the most amazing effect for this. And what you do first is you put down that cutout circle, and then take a little bit of that white pastel pigments and blur out the right side of the moon, and then put a line around that circle for the left side of the moon, just half of it. Then all you need to do is to color in with that white pencil the left side of the moon. Now what I do is I simply press a little bit softer and a little bit harder, so that you get the effect of the surface of the moon itself. So just color in, but only do this for the left half of the moon. Then you rub in all the pigments into that black color paper. Then you go back in again with your white pastel pencil or color pencil, and you put in a second layer of white. Now, and just imagine that the sun is there in the universe, and it is shining upon the left side of the moon. So the left side gets a lot of white, while the right side gets a lot of shadow. Now I want to make that shadow even more noticeable, so I put in extra pigments of the white. And what you can do also is put in a little bit of blue. For instance, you use a little sponge, and then you blur in the background of the right side of the moon. What is also nice is to draw in a little bit of some galaxy and a little bit of light, and also of course draw in some stars. I simply put my pencil straight to the drawing paper, and then I put in some bigger dots and some smaller dots, like the stars that are closer to us are a little bit thicker, and the stars that are far away are much smaller. So I make them as random as possible, like so, and I draw them in around the moon. I put in some extra surface on the moon. You can put in as much as you want, as long as you keep notice that the left side is the light part and the right side is the dark part. Now maybe you have some smudges or stuff, then you can simply erase these out with your eraser. You can also use your eraser to draw in some of those craters that are on the moon, and to make a little bit more of a surface. What is also very nice is to blur out some of the stars, like there is light surrounding them. And as a final touch, I put in some beams of light that are casted from the moon. So, that's all you need to do, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Then please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in my next tutorial.